everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing words guessing game. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
So today's words are starting with the letter E. Can you guess what is this E bird?
Eagle.
That's correct. E for eagle. Can you guess what is this planet? We all live on this planet.
Earth.
Yes, E for earth. This is a sea animal.
Eel.
Very good. This is something for breakfast and is high in protein.
Egg.
This is a violet color vegetable.
Eggplant.
Very good. This is a number.
Eight.
This is a body part. Can you guess this one?
Elbow.
Amazing. And this one? This is a huge animal.
Elephant.
Yes, amazing. And now this one?
Elevator.
Amazing. The next one is related to Christmas.
Elf.
Amazing, very good. And this one is an animal.
Elk.
Very good. Now next one. This is a beautiful green colored gem.
Emerald.
Perfect. Can you guess this bird?
Emu.
Very good. This is the core of any vehicle or a machine.
Engine.
Perfect. Now let's see some more. Are you ready? The next one is the covering of a letter.
Envelope.
Very good. This one you use to clean your writing.
Eraser.
This one is a snow person.
Eskimo.
Very good. And this one, we have to go out with this.
Exit.
And the last one is the organs of the face.
Eyes.
Amazing! You have guessed all the correct keywords today and learned so many new words. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.